Welcome back to physics class. Up to now we have studied about universal law of gravitation and acceleration due to gravity. Our today's topic is what is mass and what is weight. So in today's class we will study about mass and weight. First of all, mass. What is mass? The quantity of matter contained in a body is known as mass. कोई भी बॉडी जिस चीज से मिलकर बनी होती है वो अमाउंट वाइज कितनी है उसके मास से पता चलता है. So how we can define mass? We will study about mass and weight in differential form. That is, side by side we will do the differences between mass and weight. First of all, the definition for mass and how we can define mass. The quantity of matter contained in a body is mass. The quantity of matter contained in a body is its mass. And how we can define weight? We can define weight as the gravitational pull of earth for a body. That means the force by which earth attracts any body towards its center is known as its weight. Now weight is defined as the gravitational pull of earth is equivalent to weight of a body. Now, other than definitions, what are the differences between mass and weight? Now, second point is related with their SI units. How we can measure mass? We will measure mass in kilogram. So its SI unit is kilogram. In short, we will write it as kg. Whereas the unit for weight is Newton. Why it is Newton? Because weight is equivalent to gravitational pull or gravitational force. As we know, the SI unit for force is Newton. So for weight also the unit is Newton. Now representation. How we can represent mass? Sometimes we will write mass as capital M or sometimes we will write it as small m. These symbols represent the mass of body. But for weight we will use the symbol W. W represents weight. And what's the formula for weight? The formula for weight is M into G. The gravitational pull of earth for a body is weight. In some questions, if we have to find out mass of a body, how we will find out? We will use the formula Newton's second law, that is F is equals to ma. And from here we will measure its inertial mass, that m is F by A, force applied and the acceleration produced in the body. But weight is calculated as W equals to m into G, where m is the mass of body and G is acceleration due to gravity. Now what are the other factors which differentiate mass and weight? The very important factor is mass is always a positive quantity. It can never be zero or negative. Mass is a positive quantity. How we can define this or how we can clear this statement that mass is a positive quantity? अगर आपके पास कोई भी बॉडी है तो वो किसी न किसी मैटर से मिलकर बनी होगी, इसमें उसका कुछ न कुछ अमाउंट ज़रूर होगा. अगर उसमें मैटर नहीं है तो इसका मतलब आपकी बॉडी भी नहीं है. सो मास इज ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव, इट कांट बी नेगेटिव. But weight depends upon the value of acceleration due to gravity. If we consider it as minus quantity, minus direction, then weight comes out to be negative. When will the value of acceleration due to gravity is negative? As we know, gravity means gravitational pull of Earth. Earth attracts everything towards its center. And when we throw a body upward against the gravity, then its acceleration is negative, and in that case we can say that the W comes out to be negative. The next important difference about mass and weight is that mass can never be zero. किसी भी बॉडी का मास जीरो नहीं होता है, क्योंकि अगर मास जीरो हुआ तो इसका मतलब आपके पास बॉडी ही नहीं है. बट वेट ऑफ ए बॉडी कैन बी जीरो. एंड व्हेन द वेट ऑफ ए बॉडी इज जीरो, इफ g is equals to 0, then weight is also 0. And where this g is 0? At the center of Earth, where acceleration due to gravity is 0, the weight of the body is 0. Now, one more difference between mass and weight is that mass is a fundamental quantity which remains constant and it can be variable. So, the last but not the least, mass is a constant quantity, or you can also say that it is conserved. We have studied about law of conservation of mass also in first chapter. So mass remains constant throughout a chemical reaction, but weight is variable. And how it varies? It varies according to the value of acceleration due to gravity. If g goes on changing, weight will also change. So students, these are some difference points between mass and weight. I hope you all are now clarified about mass and weight. Once again, I am repeating, what is mass? The quantity of matter contained in a body is its mass, whereas weight is the gravitational pull of Earth. We will represent mass by the symbol small m or capital M, but weight is represented by the symbol W. The SI unit for mass is kilogram. For weight, it is Newton. Mass can be calculated by the formula of Newton's second law, F is equals to ma. But weight is simply product of mass and acceleration due to gravity. Mass is always a positive quantity, but weight can be negative. Mass can never be zero, but weight of a body can be zero at the center of Earth. Mass is a constant quantity, it remains conserved, but weight can be variable. Let's discuss one example how the weight of a body varies. As we have studied that the value of acceleration due to gravity at pole is greater than value of acceleration due to gravity at equator. So if you are having 10 gram gold and you will weigh it at the pole surface and at the equator surface, at which point its weight will comes out lesser. At the pole it comes out to be 10 multiplied by less than some 9.8, suppose it is 9.7. But at the equator it comes out to be like this. Means as the value of gravity is maximum at pole, so its weight is also higher at the pole. But if the value of acceleration due to gravity is smaller, its weight will also be smaller. That's all for this topic, students, mass and weight. If you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section.